Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, press Windows key plus R to open the Run box, type DXdiag and hit Enter. This launches the Directx diagnostic tool, which queries system components. It can take a few seconds. While it loads, note your Windows Edition and system memory shown on the System tab, because Directx features depend on them. Once the tool finishes collecting information, make sure the System tab is active. You will see the Directx version line near the bottom, which is the first definitive indicator of your installed Directx. Once done with the System tab, move to the Display tab or tabs if you have multiple GPUs. You need to verify feature levels and driver model, because those determine runtime capabilities. Read the drivers section for version numbers and dates, and compare feature levels to the Directx version to understand supported APIs. Then go to the Sound tab to confirm audio drivers and check for conflicts. If DXdiag lists any problems or yellow warnings, make a quick note. They are clues for later troubleshooting or driver updates. To finish, click Save All Information to produce a text report you can keep or send to support. It contains the Directx version line and all diagnostics. If the reported Directx version is lower than expected, update your graphics drivers, run Windows Update, and restart. Those steps often upgrade Directx runtime components. If issues persist, reinstall the Directx end-user runtime or use the saved report when contacting support. Troubleshooting tip: if DXdiag crashes, boot into safe mode to test drivers. That isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.